Welcome! Today we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful feature of Google Chrome, how to access your bookmarks. Whether you're new to Chrome or just need a quick refresher, this guide will show you how to find and manage your bookmarks with ease. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. First things first, open your Chrome browser. If it's not already running, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, or Applications folder and double-click it. Once the browser is up and ready, we can move on. Step 2. Access the menu. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu packed with useful options. Step 3. Navigate to Bookmarks. From the drop-down menu, move your cursor down to the Bookmarks option. When you hover over it, another menu will appear, showing all your saved bookmarks and folders. Here, you'll find quick access to your favorite websites, whether it's articles, videos, or essential resources. If you've organized your bookmarks into folders, you'll see them listed here too, making it easy to stay organized. Step 4. Open the Bookmark Manager. Want more control over your bookmarks? From the same menu, click on Bookmark Manager. This will open a dedicated page where you can search for specific bookmarks, create or delete folders, rearrange and organize your bookmarks for a cleaner setup. It's your one-stop shop for keeping everything neat and easy to find. Why bookmarks matter? Now that you know how to access and manage your bookmarks, remember, bookmarks can make your browsing experience faster and more efficient. Whether you're saving pages for work, school, or leisure, having quick access to your favorite sites saves you time and effort. In summary, accessing your bookmarks in Chrome is simple. 1. Open Chrome. 2. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner. 3. Navigate to Bookmarks or open the Bookmark Manager for full control. With these steps, you'll always have your favorite sites right at your fingertips. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and happy browsing!